Hi, I'm Amelia from Doxy.me, here to tell you about notifications. Instead of keeping your waiting room open and checking it constantly, you can use sounds, emails, or text messages to stay updated when patients check in or send you a chat message. To manage your notifications, let's go to Settings and open Preferences. First, choose whether you want a sound to play when a patient checks into your waiting room. The sound will play even when you're working in another program on your computer, so you can continue with other tasks and still know when your next patient arrives. This check-in sound is separate from the sound that plays when you start a call. If you're on the premium plan, you can also receive an email or text message each time a patient checks in. These options are especially helpful when you step away from your computer between appointments. If you work across multiple rooms, you can choose whether to receive check-in notifications for all rooms, your personal room only, or shared rooms only. Finally, choose the sound that plays when a patient sends you a chat message. Chat message sounds are available to everyone on free and premium plans, and you can select a sound or turn it off completely. Whether you're working in another program, taking a midday walk, or managing patients across multiple rooms, notifications help you stay informed and respond at the right time.